Okay, then I'll share with you. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, because if the other students were here, I want to show you just a short how you use the tutorial, because I shared 2 tutorials there on Moodle. One of them is on MS Word and the other one is a PDF. Those tutorials are so straightforward. Let me share with you here, for example. And then you'll tell me more, because I want to hear from you without. So here is a tutorial. Can you see it? Have you looked at this tutorial? Have you opened
a tutorial or like the exact question or
the tutorial on how to design a website?
Let me see if I have the same thing.
It is there in MS.
Okay, let me open mine here, because this one the font is very tiny, so I can't exactly see.
Norma, yes. Have you opened this? Have you opened this tutorial?
I didn't see it.
Huh?
I didn't see it. I saw the other one.
This tutorial is on Moodle everywhere.
Oh, it's titled Sample HTML Tutorial.
Yeah.
Yes.
And there are 2 of them. This one and another one of PDF. Because this tutorial, I was expecting you to take this tutorial and use it, because all you need to, if you copy this, if I copy this, for example, I don't know whether with this Zoom, I can be able to use multiple pages. I don't know, if I can you see in the notepad? When I'm copying, yes. The notepad, is the notepad showing?
Yes.
Showing,
yes, it is showing.
The notepad, where I have copied.
Yeah, with the orange background.
No, the orange background is the one now I've copied on my own notepad. Let me show you. Because teaching with Zoom is also very problematic.
Very.
Because it means that I would wish it would just share whatever is on the desktop. You see now, this is how your work is supposed to look like. Can you see the notepad?
Yes, I can see the notepad.
Yes, this, and whenever new students come in, you tell me, then I can admit them, because I can't see when I'm showing this. So if there are students who are waiting to be admitted, you let me know. So this is the HTML. This is the head. This is where you'll put your content. This is where you'll end your head. Head is the beginning. Head is where you'll put all the various things that you want people not to see, but they refer to that website. Like, this website is about dancing, this website is about this and that. When somebody is searching on the internet, where you'll put even tags, then somebody, when they search on the internet, your website will come up. And then this is the body. The body, whenever you have this is the opening. This is the closing tag. So I was expecting you to use this tutorial, to go through this tutorial, then I can show you at least. But with that tutorial, you can see some of them have already done it. Content means you start typing your information here. This website is about me. You see? And then the same content here. This content here is about describing what this website is. And tags, okay? And then you close the body after you have put all the content. You put as much content as possible. I can copy the content here. And then you put paragraphs. Here is the content. And then I can put paragraphs here. Yeah, P, paragraph. I can even close the paragraph if I want to. Then I can close the paragraph. But sometimes some people, they don't even close the paragraph, it works. Another paragraph. And another paragraph. And then I can close the paragraph. Then I end the body, the HTML. Then I come here and say, File, Save As. Then you select to save on your desktop. Once I save on my desktop, let me see. don't know whether you, let me see what I'm. You see, I don't know, can you see where I'm saving? Can you see? Is it showing?
You are saving?
And is
Yes,
it showing?
Yes, it's showing.
What is it showing? Where I'm saving?
Desktop.
Desktop, eh? Okay, then I can type here, index. Index is always the first page.
Okay.
Index is the home page all the time. Then you can call the others a different name. And then I can call
the home page of the website.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. The homepage of the website. Let me see if I'm supposed to call it index.html or let me see. So it's supposed to be, they have given me here an alternative. You see here? These are okay. Let me share. I'll keep on sharing. Look at that. This is what exactly I'm doing. Index.html. You see what I did?
Yes.
And then you continue. Then you'll be able now to see your file there. Let me try on my desktop and see.
I'm trying to find this tutorial, Doctor. It's titled tutorial.
I'll share. I'll do it right now. There is my website that I've created. Look at that. Within 1 minute, I've created this website. Just by copying the tutorial, I've created this website.
Doctor, can I please ask a question?
Yes.
Okay, so now that you've created the website,
Yes.
and then let's say you mistakenly delete or not save the notepad information.
Yes.
How can you recover that from the website?
You see, the thing is, okay, I don't with my sharing. Let me come here with a new share again. This is my notepad, okay? What I will do,
Okay.
I will close my notepad.
Yes.
If I close my
Let's
notepad,
say
it will ask me, if I hadn't saved it, it would automatically have asked me to share. Okay, if I didn't, it would have automatically have asked me to share, to save.
Okay.
Okay, so the other thing we'll do, I will go to my desktop because I can't keep on sharing everything. I'll open a notepad. Okay.
Yes.
Let me go to share again. I have opened an empty notepad. Can you see that? So
yes.
I want to get back my information that I already closed.
Yes.
Remember that you told me? I can go here and say file, open.
Yes.
I don't know if it's
Okay.
showing you. Is it showing you?
Yes, it's showing.
Okay, file open, and then I will look for all files, and then I will see my index. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
I will click open. There, my work is back again.
Oh, hey,
I
was worried.
how you continue.
Okay, hey, I was worried.
Can you have an idea now?
Yes, I do have an idea. Let's
go through the basics again for the Shangaza. Even though you have done, is it Simisha who have already done it? Let me just take the other students briefly. Is that okay?
Yes, it's okay.
It's okay.
For even though they have done it, for the sake of the ones who have not done it. So take a piece of paper. Have you found the tutorial, all of you?
No,
Let me go
Doctor.
to let me go to information system and share with you. Let me share.
Okay, please.
Sorry that I didn't know that students didn't know how to even understand some of these basics. Can you see the home page?
Yes.
These are information systems. Now, this is sample HTML tutorials. Okay. I'm currently using tutorial.doc. 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . Can you see it?
Tutorial doc.
Yeah, you click, or you can say download folder. These are the tutorials that we are using to create the websites.
Okay, but I have to open the Word document.
Yes, you can download. It's better to download in your computer.
Oh, okay. Let me just download then.
Please, please, please. Because that is the only way
Download.
to get started. Now, when the other students they not attend this class, how are they going to understand what we are doing?
Okay.
Can I go on now?
Yes, you can.
So what I want
Yes,
you to
ready.
do is open a notepad right now before we finish this class. Open a notepad.
A notepad.
Open a notepad. Then copy this work here on a notepad. Copy this
a
on
new notepad.
Copy this on a notepad. Okay?
The
orange, can you see it here? Copy this on a notepad, like this, copy, then paste on a notepad.
Okay, I'm doing everyone now.
No problem. Because the other students who feel they are comfortable, they can even leave, and then I'm left with the students who wants to, because I can see others that they are already good in this. Maybe what we can do, can I ask the other students, is there anything else you want to share with me so that anybody who wants to leave, they can leave? Then I can continue with the ones who need to understand how to use a notepad. Misho, what?
Doctor, I'm okay with the web creation.
I've seen that, yes.
Yes, I'm okay with it. I think I've got no problems with it because seemingly what you are doing right now is the same thing that I implemented. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, do you have anything else you want to say with us? Then I can allow you to go if you want to go.
I think I'm okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I don't have anything to say.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So get ready for the test. Do you understand? Are you okay with the test dates?
Doctor, about the test, we wanted to ask if we can have it as an MCQ or it's the same as method.
Yes, yes. You know, we can't do we are past multiple choice at this stage. We are really past, you know. Remember the university has allowed you not to do the exam. Already that is a big bonus.
Yes.
Or not doing the exam is a big bonus, and you are getting for your full credit module. You are doing two things: test and assignment. Is that not a real bonus?
So, Doctor, if I may ask.
Yes, let's listen to Simisho because I know he was there.
So how are we going to write the test? Because seemingly we can't write it here on Moodle. So how is that going to happen?
Okay, let me tell you what I normally do.
Yeah.
Is that the theory test? I'm very understanding. All I want to see is that you are actually going to do the work that I'm going to give you. So the theory test, I will make the theory test available from 10 in the morning, and then by 3, you have emailed me. You have to write using a pen. The other students did that. You write using a pen, you scan or take a photograph using your phone, and then you email me. That's what the students they did, and they did very well last semester.
Okay.
Then the practical test, you are going to do the same thing, and you are going to ensure that you are on the computer and you are going to write exactly the work that I'll give you at that hour, that day. So there will be no copying. There will be no using another. You understand? I want you to be honest. On the 30th of practical test, I think the practical test is going to be too soon. What do you think? The students are struggling.
Oh, on the 16th.
Yeah, it was supposed to be.
Yeah,
On the 16th.
On the 16th and on the 30th.
yes. What do we want?
So can we?
That is too
So that we do the web page, can we like move it further away?
Which date? I know some students are good at it, but others I can see they are not good at it.
Yeah, so can we cancel it?
We can't cancel. Can I make the test to be written? This theory, I make the theory to be written on the 24th of November.
Yeah.
We have to come to a consensus.
Okay.
The theory to be written on the 24th of November, and then we write the practical on the 8th of December.
On the
8th of December.
8th.
Theory 24th of November. So you have 2 weeks to do it. We get done with it. You know, the more you get done with some modules, the better. Don't you think so?
Yeah, the better.
Better, so that you can focus on other courses. Otherwise, you'll be spread too thin. So let us make the theory test 24th of November. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
You write it
For
on
me.
one day and scan and send to me. It will not be difficult. Then the practical test on 8th of December. Is that okay?
For me, that is okay.
Okay. Norma?
Doctor, yo, the practical.
But by the time you have learned, I'm going to take you through today and next week. I'm going to have with you 2 Zoom sessions.
We're going to have how many sessions, Doctor?
For practical, I can do this week and next week.
Oh, okay, it's fine. So I also
those who are good in the practical, I will allow them to go after we are finished right now. Then we go through with the ones who want to understand how to do it. I take you through the notepad and how to insert images. Then you go and practice. Then we meet next week again the same time.
Yes, Doctor. I also wanted to ask if it's fine if maybe I personally find a problem. Is it fine to email you and ask for the one-on-one session?
Yes, you can even do a small website, just 1 page. This week, after I've shown you how to do it, email me that 1 page. Tell me, is this what you want?
Yes.
Yes. And also, why are you not using one another like collaborative learning? Because collaborative learning is where the learners, they are learning among themselves. Simisha has already done it. So why are you not collaborating with one another? Are you in the residence?
No, I am home. I'm home.
No.
Oh, so you're all
I'm at home.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm also at home.
Oh, it's also very, but I'm asking if you can ask Simisho, just show me how to do just 1 page. I'm just giving you just an example, just 1 page only. He's not going to do it for you. If he does for you, that's going to be a fail. And let me tell you, if somebody does something for you, you are not going to learn. How is that? How is that? I'm listening to you.
Yeah, that's not good.
That's good. So
We have to do it on our own.
Good in website, they don't have to attend the next 2 sessions. I use the 2 sessions to go through with the grounding, okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay.
That's okay.
I want you to grow strong. I want you to grow strong. Can I just a small story, just a very small story. Yesterday I was watching a documentary, a true documentary on animals in Africa. The leopard, the mother was taken away because she was not going to be able to take care of the child. And the small leopard was not to be able to know how to hunt. I'm telling you, this small leopard was about to die. I was saying to myself, why are these people who are taking these photographs and showing us this documentary not feeding the leopard? I realized if they feed the leopard will be following their car. Do you know that?
Yeah.
The leopard was going out from that time on. They were going to destroy the leopard because the leopard will now be going towards their car every day for food. Me, I wanted to start crying. The leopard was saying, this is a very harsh world. It would go to a monkey, the monkey beats it. It tries to go, nothing was working. And you know what? It is so a very big giant, like a lizard. Those ones that when they bite you, they can make you to, it has a very poisonous thing. I couldn't believe it. It went after that. And since that time, it became a conqueror.
Yo.
You know why the mother ran away? The mother had grown so old, and she knew that she was going to die. And the mother was staying together. The mother and the mother knew, if I stay with my child, we are both going to die. So the mother at night ran away. She couldn't hunt anymore. She was just finished. So the mother, when she ran away, the monkey ended up beating her. So they would have both been beaten by the monkeys, and she died. So by running away, the child would wake up every day and cry and cry, cry and cry. But the mother had done what she could do by running away, because the child would never have gone out to look for food as long as the mother was there. She would wake up and look at the mother and like, why are you not going to hunt? The mother had lost her teeth. She didn't. Me, I was asking myself, why is she giving birth when she's old? Maybe she didn't know. But you can imagine. Do you understand the moral of the story?
Yeah.
If at all somebody starts giving you the meat, you will start following that person, and you're going to become dependent on that person. That's what
Instead
happens
of
with my
going
family in Kenya. You know me, I'm from Kenya.
That is so true.
A lot of help in Kenya. I'm stopping. Why? Because my sisters and brothers, they wake up every day looking at to whether I'm going to send money. I realize I'm making them disabled. You understand? They're not going to grow up.
Yes, you need to grow up.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to encourage you. Try and see, what have you been, what can you do? What can I do? Dr. Gashi is going to give me the notepad, then I'm going to take 1 hour and practice and do it. I want, because your confidence comes from within.
Yes.
Okay?
From you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, let us do the ones who are good. I can allow them to go. Then let me take through the others on the notepad. Okay.
So it's okay if I can leave now.
It's okay if you can leave, and anybody else who feels that they have done their website. Okay.
Doctor, can I ask something?
Yes.
It doesn't.
Okay, sorry.
It,
Let me talk to Siandiswa,
you know,
who has just joined in. Mchunu. Sandisiwe. Sandisiwe? Oh, she's. Okay, talk. I'm listening.
Ish, doctor, you know, I'm struggling. My laptop is giving up on me.
Why?
So, I don't know why. So, I'm worried about the practical test. If I don't make it, what's going to happen?
What do you mean by the laptop is giving up on you?
It's giving me problems. It's jamming.
Oh, and where do you live? Where are you? How can I help you?
I'm at home. I'm at home.
Are you in Durban?
No.
She lives at Msinga.
My laptop to use for a day.
Doctor, I also have a signal problem, because you know, with other modules, what they usually did was they would open a test maybe from 12 midnight until 12 the following day. So in that way, we can be able maybe to wake up at night and do our test and get it over and done with. Because during the day, it's really hard.
Oh, that's better. You prefer that?
Yes, so I would prefer to do it midnight, because they usually know disturbances. But during the day, it's really hard.
And then you submit by 12 midnight, so that the following morning I can wake up and find it ready.
Yes. Maybe if you open it from midnight, maybe this day, until midnight the following day.
Yes. Okay. That looks like a very good idea. Thank you.
Yes.
I don't know how I can help the other students, because I don't know whether you can borrow, because if you're in Durban, I could have borrowed you my laptop to use. Because how else and I am asking, just didn't you not apply to come back to the residence?
We did not get permit.
I thought in level 1, everybody now is free to come back.
No, not everyone. You have to have a permit in order to come back.
I don't know, because this is too late. You could have sent me an email a long time ago. I could have sent an email asking them to what they can do for us.
But the issue that I had, you remember, Doctor, I'm self-funded, right?
Yes.
So going back to Durban meant that I have to go back and rent, but then at the same time, I'm not attending any lectures. So it was really expensive for me.
Yes. So you are at home in the rural areas.
Yes, I'm home, Doctor.
It's cheaper, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh no, Mshilongo. But Mshilongo, maybe at night you'll be able to do it slowly. There's another student who has joined us later. Did she leave?
Connection problem.
There was a student who joined us and left.
Oh, I didn't notice who it was. But Andiswa requested that I report her. She had to do a quiz for another module.
At this hour when we are, because the lecturers should also know that these are module time.
I'm not really sure what happened.
So, have you all downloaded the MS Word?
Yes, I downloaded it. Yes, I saw the tutorial. I'll look at it in detail.
Yes. Norma, Mshilongo, can you see this web page that is yellow?
Yes. Yes.
Have you copied that on a notepad? Copy this on a notepad.
Okay, Doctor, I will do so.
Then after you copy that on a notepad, you see, this notepad is not difficult. You see, if you everything that you are seeing on yellow, you copy it on the content page. You copy this, and then you see what it will happen. Okay, let me see. I've shown you how to save your work. You'll save your work here. I'm going through, but as we are going to call it .html. Can you see what I'm doing? You'll save your notepad, index.html. So then this is now, can you see the screen? This is how your website will look. Index.html, fun.html, ours will be HTML. You see, these are all websites now that are going to be connected. I've seen the student has come back. So this is the title. Can you see what I'm doing? So this one, you'll copy it just where the head is. Let me just take you through. If you can copy this work, and then here, this is what I'm talking about, paragraph. This is the information, the way I did it. I will just do it right now again for you. Bold, italics, underlining, I'll do it right now for you. Font sizes, alignment, the way we do on MS Word, I'll do it just now. Blue, these are font colors. We don't use font colors, we use codes. So to get blue, you put like this. To get a different color, we use codes here. So that instead of saying font color blue, you put a, let me see, here, instead of saying font color green, green is not good. Because green is just, you could have a green which is a different shade. You know what I mean? So we use, even on MS Word, we use different, MS Word, if you look at, when I'm using MS Word, whenever I go, this is what it means. So to be able to get this color, you can't say blue or green, you use these codes. So that you can play around with the codes and have different colors. So instead of saying font color, red, we say font color, we put it there. I'm going to do it just now for you, just now. This is how to put lists. Let me do it just now for you. This is how to insert an image. But to insert an image, you must have that image. And that image must be carrying this name. So if I have my image, I would call it 10.jpg. This one is a GIF. And then that image must be saved on the same folder that the work is saved in. So let me say, for example, let me open this work for.
Doctor.
Yes, let me open your work. I want to open your work to show the students.
Is it okay for me to leave?
Oh, yes. I said a long time ago, yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Bye.
Yeah, it's okay to leave. Thank you very much. And help the other students.
All right.
Okay.
Yes, please, please,
Help
please.
us.
Yes. Let me show you his folder. Thank you. This is a folder. Can you see this folder?
Yes.
This is Shangaze's work. He wrote the website on about and index, and then he put the images here. So the images are in a folder. You see? So here he has linked this work to another website. This is an external website. This is not his website. Let me see. Let me look at his website itself. Oh, this is his website. This is his index. So, do you see what I mean? Okay, now do you want me to do a small notepad for you to see how to do it? Then you can start by yourself.
Yes.
Okay. See, and this one.
Yes, I'm here, doctor.
How are you? Yes, we've met with the other students and they have decided about the test date and the practical and the test date, and we have talked about the idea of midnight and everything. I'll send an email on everything, and I'll also share the recording of this video. Okay, so let me open a new notepad and start. The problem with this Zoom, I don't know how to do the multiple shares. If it can allow me to share multiple. I'm trying to see if I can be able to share more than one. Okay, can I start? Can you see my notepad?
Yes, yes,
You can see my
yes.
notepad, eh? Okay.
Yes, I can.
Can you see my MS Word? I don't know. I want to ask you, can you see my MS Word in the background?
No, it's
Only
only the
the
notepad.
notepad you are able to see.
No.
But you are able to see the notepad.
Yes, the notepad. It's.
But not not the background MS Word.
No.
Okay, but
I'm not sure about
open your tutorial. Open your tutorial.
Yes, it's open.
And then open your own notepad. We go together quickly.
Yes, I have my notepad opened.
Okay, then let's go to the first page. That is page
of the tutorial.
Yeah, of the tutorial, page 17. Page 17, which says the web page must have at least the following tags. Then I'll copy them. This is my notepad. Your work should look like this.
The Word document from the tutorial or the PDF?
The tutorial, the one document called tutorial, the one we have copied from Moodle.
Yes, I copied it. There is a document that titled background information. Then it goes on and says what is HTML, what
Yes,
does
now go to page
HTTP
17. Or is it page 17? Or page 3? I think it's page 3.
Yes, it's page 3 with a yellow background.
Yes, copy that one so that your work can look like mine here. You can see mine?
Yes.
Okay, your work should look like that.
Okay, page 3.
Okay,
I copy this. And paste it on my notepad.
Yes, paste on your notepad.
Oh, yes, okay.
Okay, do that. Now let's go on and go to your computer on an MS Word document and copy any information that you have on your notepad. I'll copy this one. Copy, you see where there is content, the content on the body. You see where there is a body is here?
Oh,
after the body, after the head, the body, where there's the word content.
Yes.
Copy, put your own information there.
Any information or the information, the assignment information?
You can do yours for now, just anything. Because I'm not doing the assignment for you.
Okay.
Okay, then you put a paragraph, the word paragraph there. I'm just giving you an idea of how you are going to do it there. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Your work must look like mine now. How is that? Can you be able to do something? Your work should look like mine. Lugile? Shangaze?
Okay, so what we basically do, we type in the information that was given us from the assignment.
Or you can copy from anything for now.
Okay, from anything.
Any MS
okay.
Word document. Copy any MS Word document for now to look like mine.
Okay.
I want your work to look like mine. You can copy from this tutorial, any small paragraph. Ready?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let me paste another one. You can copy that information and paste again. Like that. Sandishiwe. Oh.
Yes, I'm listening, Doctor.
Can you share show us what you have done so far? Share with us. Go to share and show me your notepad.
Okay.
Share your notepad with us.
How do I share it, Doctor? Because I'm on the meeting with my phone and I have a laptop in front.
Who is on the laptop? Share. Who is on the laptop? Norma? Who can share with us? Lugile? Tiandiswa?
I'm on my phone, Doctor.
Who is on the computer? Okay, I'll continue then.
Oh, sorry, Doctor. Before you continue, how do I make it a paragraph again? Because it's not a paragraph. It's like a long sentence.
Put a P. Can you see the P here?
Yes, I've seen it.
Put a P there and then put a P for ending.
Just a P, not the signs that appear next to the P.
With the signs, the way exactly like mine looks like. This is an opening P. This is a closing paragraph.
Okay, I put it before typing or after typing?
Before where your work starts, just type it there like this, type like that, P.
Okay.
And then after your paragraph, type another one for closing, like this, like that. That means opening, closing.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Then once you've done that, you can now even copy the whole thing again with the P and paste it there, and paste another one just to see how it's looking. Okay? Paragraph opening, paragraph closing. Is that okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. Now let us go to the content. You see where there is the head, where there is the head. You see the word
Yes,
content?
the head.
Let us write there.
Yes.
Let us write there. This is my first website.
Okay.
Okay, like that. Is everyone together? This is how your work should look like. Okay? Maybe when we finish, I'll save this notepad. I'll save this notepad,
Yes.
but I'll not save it as HTML. Just later on, I can save it as notepad and then share with you to see. But do it, because you are going to learn by doing, not by me giving you. Okay, are we ready
Yes.
now? Are we ready? Does your work look like mine? Does your work look like mine?
Not exactly, but I've tried.
Tell me.
I don't have a paragraph. I tried opening a paragraph and closing it, but then it didn't convert it to paragraph.
But we haven't yet saved. Well, I haven't saved my work. Have you saved already?
No, I have not.
So why are you thinking you should convert it to a paragraph? Does it look like mine?
No, it doesn't. It's a long sentence.
Why don't you space? Why don't you enter like this?
Okay, let me try that.
Why don't you space with your using the keyboard? You can space by yourself. Space like this.
Yeah, I can see from your notepad. I'm saying that my paragraph, like under body, it's just a long sentence, not the paragraph as you did here.
Why don't you do like I did?
I'm trying to do it, but it does not change. I typed the P like you did, and another P at the end. But it doesn't change. It's still a sentence.
Don't worry about that. I think when you go to your website, it'll appear as a paragraph.
Yes.
As long as you put in the P, the closing P, and the opening P.
Good.
Oh, okay.
Now let's go file. Okay, first of all, go to your computer and create a folder where you're going to save this work.
Okay.
Create a folder where you're going to save this work. Because that folder, let me create a folder here. Let me see whether this will work. This one might work, I don't know. This one might work. I think this might work. I'm going to come here and create my own. I don't know whether we can see this. I'll create here. I'll create here. I'll create here a new folder, website. Okay, I'm going to call it like that. Can you see?
Yes.
Then I will open it inside. And then I'm going to create there a new folder. I'll call that folder images. Okay? You have something like that? So you have a website there, and inside you have images.
Images,
But you're not
okay.
going to save images, we'll only save images only, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So everybody has a folder.
Yes, I have one.
Okay, now that's where we are going to save our work. I like this. This seems to be better. So I'm going to come on my notepad. Here is my notepad. If you cannot see, you tell me. I'll go to File, Save As. Okay, I'll look for where I created my website. Are we together?
Yes.
Then I will call it index.html. Your work should look like that. Don't wait for you to do it. Index.html. Your work should look like this. Index.html. Anyone who
Then,
yeah?
then save as type all files.
Yes. Yes. Then can I save now?
Yeah.
Look, yeah, everybody is okay? Save. I say save. Once I say save, now you go, I'll go to my folder where there is a website. You see already, I can even see it. Click there, there is a website that I have created called Index. You see?
Let me see if oh, it's also here.
Yeah.
Let me open it.
Where you saved it?
Pardon?
You found it, eh? Where you saved it?
Oh, yes, I found it.
Does it look like mine? This is my first website?
Yeah, it looks like that.
Yes, yes. The others? Can you see where?
Yes, it looks like it, Doctor.
Lungile?
Yes, Doctor, I see it.
And this one? Okay. Sendiso is not here. Okay. So now let me continue. I'll continue with the same notepad. Even if I close the notepad, I can open it tomorrow. Okay, here is our notepad. We've done that. We've done that. We've saved our work. We've saved. Then we are going to create many more. Okay. But today, right now, we are going to create only one. This is my first website. Our work will look like that. Okay, there we have already done. This is my first website. Okay, let's copy this. Let's copy this word title. You can see it? I'll copy this word title. I'll come to my notepad and I'll put it here. I'll put it there. And then this work here, my work will look like this. Yes. I want your work to look like this. Can you see?
We paste it under title.
Yeah, you know where there's the word head and head closed?
Yes.
I pasted my work there. Let me do it again. I pasted my work there, and then I pasted the word so that your work should just look like this. Whatever you do, I want your work to look like this. Just look at how it looks here. Can you do that? Even if it is to type, just make sure that your work looks like this.
Okay, I think I must have missed something. Okay, I copied and pasted.
Yes.
Then I have my.
Yeah, remove the word hello and type it. This is my first website there.
Or remove hello and write.
My first website.
This is my first website. Okay, yes.
You've done, then say file save. Okay? Save. Once you save, you come here to our website. Can you see I'm on my website?
Yes.
Let us refresh together here.
Oh, refresh.
Yes, refresh. Once I refresh.
Oh, there's new content.
Because now the work says, this is my first website has come here on the title. You see?
Yes, yes.
Yes, this is the title of your work. This is my first website. Are we together?
Yes, we are together, Doctor.
I see the other student here. Yes, I think maybe she is having problems with her computer. Okay, now let's continue again. The same tutorial. Okay, the headings. Okay, let's copy this heading. Let's copy this. Can you see that? Can you see this?
Yes, yes.
Copy. Come to your notepad. Immediately after the body. You see where the body is? Here.
Yes.
I'll paste it there. I'll post it there. But after where the body is, I'll post it there. I'll say web designing. Web designing for beginners. Your work should look like that. Okay? I copied that immediately after the body and I typed that, web designing for beginners. Are we together?
Yes, Doctor.
File, save, we go again and refresh our website. There, there's my heading.
Oh.
You see? Okay? You have that.
Okay, let me do it.
Then, whoever has done it will come back again. You can copy this. After the second paragraph, I just want us to, you come here, and then here, you see this H1, I'm going to call it H2. What is H2? Heading 2. Then I say file, save, I come again to my website, and refresh. Look, you see heading 2. You see how your work is going to be?
Yes.
We are designing here, you see, I did heading 1, web designing. Then I went up where the paragraph is over, heading 2, heading 2. Are we together?
Yes.
I wish you could be able to be showing me what you are doing, but you are telling me you are doing it, because sharing will be very important.
Yeah.
Norma, you cannot be able to.
Next time we have a meeting, I'll try to log in with my laptop so that I'll be able to share my
Norma,
screen.
are you on the computer? Hey. Lungile. Are you doing what we are doing?
No, Doctor, I'm just listening to the lecture because I've already done this.
And I'm recording. But I don't know how to
Okay, that's
video. I'm not sure. Okay, so we have done everything. Mshilongo, you've done heading 1 and heading 2. Okay? Are we together? Can I move on? Can I continue?
Yes, you can continue, Doctor.
Okay. Now, we have done headings. We've done paragraphs. This is paragraphs. Paragraph open, paragraph closing. Okay. Here, this is a break. A break forces the text to go to the next line, a break, so that if I come here, I don't want to put a paragraph at the end of the full stop, but I want the word if to go to the next line. You see what I mean? It's not going to be a line, but it's going to be just a next line. I'll put that break there. Break is where, even when you're driving a car, you brake. You're not going to the next paragraph, but you are braking because there's another driver in front of you. So I'm going to come here and put another break. Okay? I'm just putting a break, I'm not putting a paragraph. Then I say file, save. Every time you save, You go to your website and refresh. You see, I put a break, but not a paragraph.
Oh, okay.
It's almost similar. I put a break, but not a paragraph. It is almost similar, very much similar. Very similar here. Just try for yourself. That's what this one is saying. Okay. Then we are going to do this. Copy this as it is. Okay. Copy this as it is. Copy. Anywhere in the body, anywhere in the body, you can always paste. I'll paste mine here. Copy, paste, copy, paste. You see? File, save. Refresh. My bold. My worker is bold here. Copy, paste, copy, paste. You see, it's not difficult. I come back again to the tutorial. Copy, I'll copy this word. Copy. I come to my notepad. I paste it here. File, save. Go to my website, refresh. Copy, paste, save, refresh. My work now is italic here. You see? Are we together? I'll give you this, but I just want to show you that I'm just copying and pasting, Eh? I'm not doing anything else. I go here, copy this word, underline, copy. I come to my notepad and paste it here. And then file, save. I go to my work and refresh. And then there is underline here. You see, it's not hard.
Yes.
Copy, paste, copy, paste. So I've so far copied bold, I've copied underline, I've copied under italics. You see? So now let us practice those three together. Instead of copying and pasting, we do it on our work. Are we together? I've copied bold, I've copied underline, I've copied italics, but I don't want to copy and paste. I want to do italics on my work, bolding on my work. You understand? Because that's what MS Word is about. It's not about copying the word it underline. It's about underlining your work. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let me underline my work. So I'll come here. So to underline this work, what am I going to do? I want to underline this word really. What am I going to do?
Maybe if you, what happens if you right click? I'm not sure.
No, I want to do exactly like we did. Underline. Look at this. When I did this, what happened? The word underline became?
It was underlined.
So if I want to underline my word really, what do I do?
You have to put a tag you and a closing tag you at the end of really.
Yes, tag you in the beginning and a tag for closing you at the end. Is that okay?
Oh, yes.
File, save. I go to my website, refresh. Look at my work, my word really is underlined.
Oh, so it doesn't underline on the notepad. It underlines on the actual website.
Yes, everything is reflected on the website. That's why I was saying she doesn't have paragraph. Then you told her the paragraph will show on the website.
Oh, okay.
She was saying, why am I not seeing paragraph like your work? You told her, don't worry, the paragraph will show on the website.
Oh, yes, she said it. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Oh, yes, it's showing. It's showing on the website.
I want to bold the word bad. What do I do?
You want to?
Bold the word bad. Bold.
You open a tag, B tag, and then before the word bit.
Then what do I do next?
And then you close the tag at the end of the word.
The tag at the end, okay? Then I say file.
Then you go to file and save.
Yes, and
yes.
Then I refresh. And then you see bad is bold.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now I want to I want to italics the word sleeps. How do I make the word sleep to be italic?
You open.
Mm-hmm.
You open the tag.
Okay.
The tag.
The I, yeah.
Okay.
Italics, and then you close it at the end of the word sleeps.
Okay, good. I'm liking the way we are following one another. Save and then refresh. Then sleeps becomes italics.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So far now we have learned how to create a website. We have learned how to put these different things. Now we want to learn how to put font. Me, I'm not going to do the font for the color. Okay, I'll do this font. Okay, let's copy this font. Let's copy this font. Okay. You see? Let me copy this. You see what I'm copying? This is the same thing. What I'm copying is the same thing. Let me show you. I'm copying the same thing. Font, close font, and then close, font open, font close. You know, in essence, let me just put on my notepad first here. What I'm doing, we said italics, I do italics, close. Then I put my work here, me, and then italics, open, close, or close. Is that okay?
Yes.
So to do font, tell me what I'm going to do. The same method. So what do I do? Please take me through. I want to put font.
You open.
Open.
Okay, where am I? You write font and close.
Yes, you write font and close. Then you write the word which you want to have a font, okay? And then what do I do? Close font. You see?
You close font. Yes.
Yes, that's the basic. So we have to understand we are doing exactly the same thing, but this time we are using font. Can you see that?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So that when I come here, if I come here and copy this is a new different notepad. I'm not on my notepad. Font. I don't want this word color. About me. You see? What have I done? I've put font, but this time I've put, instead of just font, I've put font equals green color.
Oh, okay.
I've closed font. You see that?
Yeah.
So this is open, this is closed. You see? Then I can do the same with font size. I come here.
Can you also change the font type?
Yes.
Like if you want to use times.
Yes, we are going to do it right now. This is about me. I'm just going to use the same word. All I want you to see is that we are opening and closing. That's all about notepad. Font color, font size. Let's go to the font type. Here is the font type. The same thing. Font Arial narrow, about me. Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to copy all these. I put them on my notepad, the one that I'm working with, so that I can come here and say, I'll put it here. Let me put it here. There, I'll put it there. And then I'm going to put a page break here. Just BR. You see, what I've done, I've copied font color, green, about me. Font color, file size, 2, about me. Arial, about me. Can you see that?
Yes.
Then I say, file, save. Then I go to my website and see what will happen. Refresh. Look about me. Look about me, green, about me, size 2, about me, Arial. You see? What I can do, I can come back to my notepad here and put a BR. BR is a page break. I can put a page break here and a page break there, and a page break there, and then I say file, save as. Then when I go to my website, I'll see page break. About me green, about me font size 2, about me Arial. You see?
Yes.
So if at all you see that, then what will I do? If I want to make, let me take this whole paragraph of mine here. Let me take this whole paragraph. Let me take this whole paragraph of mine here and put it here. And then I close paragraph. I want now to apply this on my paragraph. You see, we are applying the same concept, but this time I only did it on about me. But I want to do it on this whole paragraph. What do I do? I want to change my color to be green here, all of this. Before I did only on about me and it became green. I want this whole paragraph to become green. What do I do? Take me through. What do I do?
You copy the whole paragraph.
I want this whole paragraph to look green. I want this paragraph to be green in color.
If you copy and paste it, or it won't happen that way.
Look. Before I made this one to become green. You see that?
Yes.
Now I want to make this whole one to become green. It's so simple. What do I do? This
you copy and paste it.
This information can go here, isn't it?
Yes.
You understand, eh? Yes. Alternatively, I can copy this. I put it there. And then I copy the end. I put the end there. You see? It's the same thing.
Yeah.
I've just made about me. Then I've made this one green, okay? File, save. Then I refresh. Look, my whole paragraph is green.
Oh.
You see? Does it make sense? So that you can come here again. You want to make the whole paragraph to be, another paragraph to be small. I'll copy this. I want to make this one, let me see. I want to make this paragraph. I want to make this paragraph to copy the word font. Copy this font here. I paste the word font there, font size 2, and then I'll copy this font here, and then I paste it here, and then I file, save, and then I refresh. You see now the font has become small. You see? Because all I'm doing is that I'm just taking this and putting it there. You see? Can you see what I've done? I'll share with you this.
Okay.
Can I go next?
Yes. Yes, you may.
So let me copy this. Heading 3. Okay. No, I'll copy this. You see this align center? You see this word align center? I'll copy it. I'll come to my notepad. My notepad had a heading 1 of tutorial. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that, can you see? This is heading 3, aligned center closed, and then close heading 3. I'm just going to come straight here. Where is my heading 2? I put a space and paste that. I just pasted to say the word tutorial to become center. File, save, go to my website, refresh. The word tutorial has become center. I'll just take you through. I give you this notepad, you try on yourself, we meet next week. Is that better?
Yes, that's better.
Overwhelmed. Okay, so you do the same. I can come here, I copy the word align right for the paragraph, copy. I come to my notepad. Don't worry, even if I'm now moving faster, you'll be able to do it once I share with you. Where there's the word paragraph, I put a space, I paste there, file, save. You see, this is aligned right now. It has gone right because I put aligned right. If I go back to my tutorial, I can copy here, copy. I go to another paragraph on my notepad and align this paragraph left. Control S is to save, refresh. Let me see which one has. I don't know which one has, which be another way to look. Align left, align, oh, this is right, this is right, this is left. So left, we won't see much of a change. Let me try center. You see center, you see? This is right, this is center, this is left. Okay, so I'm just going to hope that you're going to do this. Now I go to the image. Okay, so copy, 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 copy. And then what we are going to do, instead of using green, where we use the word green, we'll come and copy this word. Can you see this? Are we together?
Yes.
I'll copy this instead of green. This is what the way computer is supposed to be done. We're not supposed to type the word green. So I'll go to my notepad where I put the word green. I don't want the word green anymore here. I paste that. And then I say Control S, and then I refresh my website. You see, I don't want the word green anymore. You see? So you do tutorial, you say, I want blue, whichever this color is, you copy. Blue is usually good for, let me say red, for example, copy. I go to my notepad. I don't want the word green anymore. Let me just say copy again, because I don't want you to get confused, because I'll share with you this notepad, okay? Then you'll use it to see the differences. Copy. Instead of the word green, I'm going to replace the word green with that color. Control S, refresh.
No, you left the G by mistake.
Oh,
that's why it didn't change.
That's not changing. I'm happy to see
Yeah.
that. Yes, that's how we observe. You see, that's how we observe. You see that? Just can you see that? So the
Yes.
first one is green of green. The other one is green. This is the one which we are allowed to use in websites. Because even in MS Word, if I open an MS Word, let me open an MS Word. How do I open a new MS Word? If I open a new MS Word here, if I come here to put colors, I say more colors. You see this, that's what we are supposed to do. You see, so that's what they are doing. They are putting 5, 6, you know, and 0, 0 to get something that is more specific. You see, this color you cannot get it. You get it by combining 3, 3, 5. You understand? So on computer, you can't get that color until you write 3, 3, 5. You see what I mean? Because it's a specific color. That's why now here they're using numbers to get the specific color. Okay, let me put this background color. Copy. Okay, let me put it here on a different notepad. You tell me where you think I should put it. In your notepad, if you look at our notepad, where do you think I should put this work? Where? Where does this go? Where does this go? Where will this go? This. Where will I put this?
You want to change the whole background
Yes.
of the
website. So where will I put
not
it?
at the beginning of the notepad?
Where is
or
this
not?
word? You see?
Oh, the body.
Yes. Just the same way I did on the font. Remember, I did paragraph, I changed the paragraph color. Paragraph, I changed the paragraph size. Now I'm going to change the body color. You see that?
Yes.
So I'm going to copy this. I go to my notepad. Where do I find it? I go up. Where? Show me. Here. Is that okay?
Yes.
Then I put a space and paste. You see that? Then I say file, save. Then I refresh my website. You see, that's my background color.
Mm.
You see, because I've just copied as it is on the here, I put it on the right place. Try for yourself. That's what this is saying. Okay, and then I want to put a horizontal line. I can copy this. This is just a line, a horizontal line. I go to my notepad. After this paragraph, I can copy there. You know, it's just a matter of playing around. File, save. Yes, there is a horizontal line because I put the horizontal line here after the paragraph. You see? Then I'm just going through the tutorial. You know, this is a horizontal line, but this horizontal line will have a certain, if you go to MS Word, you'll have different thickness of the line. You understand? Yes.
Yes.
So you see, they're telling you, well done, you have understood the basic. But now I'm just going to go through a few until I reach the image and then I stop. Okay. So let me just copy.
Okay.
Let me copy this. Let me copy this. Copy. I come to my notepad. I know I might move a bit faster, but don't worry, you will get it. Where this paragraph is ending, I'll paste it there. Okay. Then I say food, clothing, shelter. I'll give you to practice. Then next time we can practice together next week. File, save. Go to my notepad, refresh. You see? Can you see food, clothing, and shelter?
Mm.
Yes. What did I do? I just came to my notepad, copy from that work, and put it as it is. This means ordered list. Ordered. You know, order. You know, order? Okay,
Yes.
then come back to the notepad again. I copy. This is another ordered. Let me copy as it is. Copy. Put it there. Then I say, dancing in the rain. Okay. Okay. Dance passion. Then I say dance move. You see? Who can tell me? What difference do you see between these two paragraphs, this one and that one? What is the difference? What is the difference between this one and that one? Yes.
I think the second one would be written in italics.
Why? Because
there is I'm not sure about the correct word to use, but you typed then you put I on the inverted commas, meaning that you want it to be in italics.
Good. Yes. No, not italics. Those inverted commas are just like the way we did in even these italics commas are like this. They are like two. Two doesn't mean italics. Every time we put equals, we are putting these commas. Commas are there, okay? Commas are
Okay.
there to say green, okay? Commas are there to say color, to say two, you know? So this comma is just there to say eyes, okay? Italics. Then I say file save. Okay, commas are there to say that number. File save. Yes. Quotes, quotes. Yes, you see? The quotes are there just to tell us take that quote. Quoting meaning that this quoting is to say you must take it as it is. Okay.
Oh,
This
okay.
quoting is telling us you must take that, you know, as it is. Now I've quoted, I've said that. You see how it's not bad? Let me go to the other one. If you are sharing, it would be so easy because you could also be doing. You see? These are a different one. But a smaller type. You see? You see, that's how you'll make your work to look good when you are giving to me. You see, and then you give it some names. You see how beautiful the work can look. And it's not difficult. I go to the next one. Alphabet, you know? And you can start alphabet anywhere. You go here, paste, control S, refresh, alphabet. This notepad is very, very straightforward. Okay, first items we do bullet. Okay, now let me ask you. I'll put my here, this one here. What's the difference between this one and the first one? What's the difference between this one and this one? What's the difference between this one and this one?
I'm not sure.
You can see.
Let's
Who can
see.
spot the difference? Who can spot the difference between
It's the OL and the UL, and I'm not sure what's the OL for or the UL for.
Ordered. OL means ordered.
Uh-huh. All right.
Okay, so UL will mean an ordered. Okay.
Okay.
An ordered. Save. There's no order. So it's just going to give me bullets. You see that? First one was ordered, the other one is unordered.
Oh, okay. No, I see now.
Okay, let me go to the next one. So you do that. You do that. He's putting a disk, unordered, but a disk. Remember, even in MS Word, we have different types of bullets. So that's what we are doing. A disk type. Quote, it must be quote disk. Then I come here and refresh. You see, by this one, yeah, it's a, you know, the disk is the same thing. I should have taken something different. This one, I don't know whether one can use as instead of a disk. I don't know whether I can use a rectangle or something, you know, because you can see here he's having different types. But some of them, they might require us to use images. Let me see. Okay, I'll just cover, as long as we can do an order for now, that's the most important. I want to do images, then I stop. Is that okay?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my website. I need to put an image here before I can do anything. So I'm going to go to my computer. There. I want to get an image somewhere here. Okay, these are the, let me use these images. Okay, let me copy these two images. Okay, copy. Where am I? I will save them on the images. Are we together? I'll say them on the
Yes.
images. I'll set them on the images, and therefore, when we put the image, we must tell the work where the image is. Okay, let me first of all, I do not want to do that one without the because I don't want to do the one which will make you not to know where to put the image, because remember what is happening is, if I open, I'll just show you just now. Let me first of all open I want to open Sumiso's work. I can say file, open. I will go to desktop. Let me show you. I want to look at his website. I can even send you the website to open, I'll go there. Practical assignment, Sumisho Sangase, his portfolio. I'll say, whenever you're opening, you say all here. Otherwise, it will not give you all for all. I want to open Sumisho Sangase's work. So this is his work. This is his work. I want to see the image.
Wow, I'm impressed.
I'm so surprised. That's what I was asking him. Did somebody help him or something, But I don't know how he came up with all this. I'm telling you, even me, I'm surprised. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, he is putting the image here. I don't know whether let me open the other one. You see, this is the paragraph he has put, but he never closed the paragraph, but it is still closed here. This is the paragraph. This is the paragraph. Okay. This is the. I don't know why he did this. He's supposed to have put headings. I will talk to him. It won't work without headings. You see, this work cannot work without headings. Can you see what I mean? I'll tell him to make these things into headings. Do you know what I mean? He's supposed to make them into heading 1 and heading 2 and heading 3. You see what I mean? Are we together?
Yes.
We're not supposed to put two. He's supposed to put headings. Here, he's supposed to come here and say heading 2, like that. And then he say close heading 2. You see? And then he's supposed to say file, save, and then refresh. And then once I refresh, you see now, this one has become a heading. You see, his is not heading. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, now let me do the images, because I can't even see his images. So if I come here, I want to use the tutorial to put an image. And I want it to be straightforward without us having a you see what is happening in the first instance. This one is copying this work. Here, this is the image. I want a simpler one. Simpler. This is the image. Okay. This is how we are going to put on our notepad. Image. Okay. We're going to put image SRC, and then you put the image description here. You cannot put hello.gif. You must go to your website here and say, and find out. Here is my images. I want to use this image called bed, okay, or cha-cha, okay? So I must first of all look. This is the image called cha-cha. Cha-cha is a JPEG. Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yes.
Cha-cha is a
Yes.
I will come here and say cha-cha. In fact, I even prefer to copy the word cha-cha. I'll come here and say cha-cha dot JPEG. I don't know that it will allow me the JPEG of, sometimes it wants JPG or JPEG, but still, even if I do this, it will not work. This is correct, but it will not work because my website is here, the image is in another folder. You see what I mean? So my website is here, and my website can only read something which is together with it. Are we together? It's just like MS Word. It will only read something that is together. Otherwise, it will tell you where is the file location. Okay? So this website can only read an image which is next here. So I want you to read an image, but the image must be in a folder. That's why now I'm looking at this tutorial to see where now we go to image in a folder. Let's see. It's here. You see, that's what he's saying. Yes. You see what he's doing? He's copying this word. This word. I hope it will work for us. Let's try. You see here. So that it becomes images. Let me try there. Okay, that's what he's saying. Because my folder is called images. So I'm telling this image, read this JPEG here. Okay. I'm not sure whether it will read as JPEG or JPEG. I'm trying, let me just say. I'm not sure whether it will read as this or this. We'll find out whichever it will read, okay? But you have a slight idea of what I'm saying. To create an image is very easy. All you just do is to put the image, but the image will not read until you tell it where it is located. Can you see the difference between this and the second one?
The difference between
this one and that one.
Yes.
Yes, the difference is that I've told it that the image is in a folder called images. Okay. So let me copy and see. Let me copy and see. I'm just trying because I'm not sure whether it will read, but we have to try and see whether it will work. So I'll come here. And then I'll put my image there. Let me put it there and save. Let's hope it will read. I'm file saved. If it doesn't read, we'll have to see what is the problem. Let me try. I only want us to do image and then we stop for today. Let me see. Oh, it's not reading. No, this is important. I'm not sure. Let me see. I don't think so. But let me see. If it doesn't work, then I'll check my own work. God, websites. One has to keep learning and unlearning. Not working. Just one minute. Okay, let me first of all try this bed, the bed.gif as it is. First thing I can, if it doesn't work, I'll first of all put them together just for the sake of it. Let me just try this first. Okay, bed.gif. I'll remove the aligning, right? Just temporarily, let me just temporarily do this, copy this. Then I can try, if I try, I can even try later, I don't want to wait. Okay, I'll put it there. I'll paste it next to the index. Do you understand what I mean? I'll put it next to one another because it can only read when it is next to one another without giving it a file location. Let me just try that one first. File, save, refresh. You see, now the bed has come. The bed is showing. Can you see the bed?
Yes.
The bed has come because I've put it on the same, I've put it here on the notepad, image src bed.g. But I would prefer to see it, I wanted to read from here, just for now, temporarily. Let me see here. I come and put it there. Okay, I save. I come here. I remove this bed here because it is inside there. And I put the image there. Let me see whether it will read. File, save, refresh. You see, my URL, my path is refusing to read my path, and yet my path is images. Let me try once more using a tutorial. But let me remove this. I'm also getting a little bit confused. Yes, oh yes, yes. The thing is, I'm not supposed to have this line file. I'll remind you, we'll just do together again. You see, this one is not reading JPEG. You see, they are reading. So, do you understand what I've done? Image src, then we put quotes. Quotes meaning images, one line only. Then I copy the word cha-cha, and then not JPEG, but JPG. You see? The other one is the same image. There's a space here between src there, equals images, is a folder, / bet.jif. You see what I've done?
Yes.
If I send you, you'll do it, isn't it?
Yes. I'll
Once
try
I send
to.
you this, I will not send you I'll send you as a notepad, not as a HTML. Okay? I'll send you as a
Okay.
notepad. You work on it by copying and putting, and don't just say file save as you will not have learned anything. Okay? Then you from there now, once you have this, you can always manipulate and use it in any other place because it will always be remembering, and then you'll only be giving different names. You just come here. Let me do something very quickly before we finish. I want to come here and create a table, just something, just one table. I'll copy this. Just copy. I'm not doing anything. When I copy this, it will appear like this. Okay? Because I don't want to overwhelm you with so much information. Let me see how this one is. Okay. So allow me to copy this, okay? It will look like this. Are we together?
Yes.
I'll copy this to look like this. Just for now. I know it's a lot of work, but once we practice, we'll get better. I copy that. I come here. And everything is happening in front before the body is closed here. I copy that, I paste. Control S, refresh. There is my table. You see my table? You see my table?
Oh,
Yeah?
yes.
That's my table. Then I can even come and copy again. This is the table. The table is up to there. If I copy this again, copy, paste, save. I'm just going to practice. It will give me 4 rows. You see, all I'm doing is that I'm coming here, I'm copying from here to there. As long as the table is there, this is the closing of the table, this is the opening of the table. I can put as many rows here. This is row, this is the column. Okay? Are we together? So here I can say, about me. Then I can say dances. Okay? File, save, refresh. You see, about me dances. Can you see that? That's what I've done. Are we together there?
Yes, yes, we're
If you're
together.
there, then you can allow me to copy this. I can copy this and put it there. You see, I'm replacing information with an image. I can copy this and put it here. Okay? File, save, refresh. You see, now my work looks different. If I, let me see here. These are the first images that I inserted here without any table. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Now I've come here and I've created a table. The table I've called it about me and dances. And then instead of about me and dances, the second row I've put an image and an image. Can you see that? So that I can have a table with as many images as possible and with as much information as possible. You can do that now.
Yeah, I'll try it, doctor.
Yes, let me email you this notepad. I will not save it as HTML. I will email you the notepad alone. I will not email you my website. I want you to use this thing and create a website like that one and tell me whether you are done. If you are able to do this, then you are able to do the work.
Okay.
Then next week, I can show you how to make many websites, because once we make this website, we'll now join you to another website and another website, and then we have 4 websites.
Okay. When are we meeting next week?
Same time as this time, I'll make another Zoom.
Oh, okay.
But for us to meet, practice this. Even you can tell me, I've practiced, is this what you want me to do? I've changed my color, I've changed my image, this is what I've done, share with me. Then next week, I don't want to take you through so much work when you don't know, but once you know, next week it will be so easy, because now we'll combine all our websites. And then we have 4 websites that are working. Imagine if you have 4 websites that are working. From there now you can use those 4 websites to do the assignment and to do the test and to do anything else you would want to do. Is that not beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us end there. I'll email this website, this notepad right now. I'll create
And also
the
recording.
The recording, yes. Yes. Let me check. I've never even recorded using Zoom before, but because you have told me to record and I hope I did, let me see. So I can stop recording now. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yes, then I'll